Good morning to all students of SYBCom, SYBA. In this module 2, advertising agencies, we are learning some of the career opportunities which are available in agency. In the previous lecture, we have seen the career opportunities which are available in advertising agencies like to become visualizers, copywriters, account executives, production team, media team, research, management and finance, others, and also uh, eligibility and course areas, educational background, I mean education or professional degree like MBA in marketing or MBA in journalism or mass communication, CA, finance, specialization in audio visual, or course in printing and pre-press processes. We have seen some of the professional degrees that along with professional degrees, um, here professional degree, no doubt it is important, but as well as despite having professional degree, the person must have effective communication skill, and along with it he should have proper presentation skills, and leadership skill is very important. He must bring all people together, and a good leader gives credit to all. So such sort of guts of leadership he must have. So and so many times what happens because of severe pressure, deadline, and stress can be possible. So, but he or she in this field, stress and pressure management skill is a must. How to handle pressure and reach deadline or do particular task before the deadline. So, handling a risk. Many many cricketers we have seen, they play very good, but they are unable to handle pressure. On a cricket ground we have seen some of the examples. If some people reputed cricketers, if they have given up opportunity or some responsibility as a captainship, so they can't play very well. So both the responsibilities, handling pressure and to flourish and to give exposure to our talent, to the hidden potentials, yeah, it is unique. So it is to say few words about how to handle pressure is a different, but only handling pressure and successfully handling pressure and doing proper work is a real hallmark that is required in advertising agency or advertising field. And the person should have calm temperament. His temperament, to maintain calm temperament, he should respond, he or she should respond. So response is well, but reacting immediately, it is bad. So he or she must respond positively, and say for example, many students talk, ask me Google Meet, but I say all of you that it is right, no doubt, and I will also try my best to Google Meet and record. I will see positively. So such attitude a leader should have. He must not refuse. No, I will not do it. So refusing and refusing is a sort of insulting to the person who came to us, who is asking something to do a work. So refusing is not the answer. To accept, to listen, and to find out answer or find out the proper way to resolve the issue, to resolve the problem is important in these career opportunities. Then any skill requires in any field, you the person who want to pursue the job in this requires analytical skill, not only in advertising field but in any field. Analysis is a research oriented, and he should possess this type of skills. He should analyze. In the field of advertising, analysis means so many times one has to analyze uh, the products, services which are offered in various areas, in various geographical areas, in local market, state level market, national market, or in international market, or in which advertisement, which ads, print advertisement, television advertisement, or outdoor advertisement, then internet advertising or digital ads, which ads are suitable for which are ads, which sort of ads they are getting proper platform for the products or services. That analysis is, though it is a difficult task, but these things matters a lot. Analysis properly, and one has to analyze the market segmentation, the classification of advertising with the help of target audience, geographical area, or purpose of advertising. So though it is with the help of hypothesis, then a mind map, then personally contacting with the customers. It is not possible to contact all the customers, but in which area some of the products are gaining popularity, or people's customers their needs, then in which area, in which products or services they expect some modifications, some well designed covering of the products, which thing is important nowadays. uh, I would like to cite one example that most of the small stores, they are converting their small stores into malls, because nowadays malls like Apna Bazaar or D-Mart, okay, they are gaining popularity. So that customer, they go, they just see the cover and they try to uh, purchase it. So in the malls, different compartments are there. Then a beautiful design, then window display, compartments of biscuits, then edible oil, then wheat. So there are compartments, cashew, various products are there. So compartments, and actually people go and purchase the thing. So it is more preferable in Indian market nowadays. So one has to analyze these things very well. Now at Shringardari or those uh, business people, they are converting their small stores, grocery stores into malls, because they are analyzing what are the expectations of the customers or people or society to look at our business, that they are converting into another thing, that is grocery store to malls. Okay, one has to convert because of as per the needs, demands, or as per the expectations of the customers, and automatically customers are attracted towards new things, new innovations, some creativity. The things are same, we know, but presentation matters. How we are presenting ourselves in front of the customers, it matters a lot. Every field you can go, some creativity matters. Uh, Analysis, in analytical skill, personal under the category of personal attributes, so many actors they have started their career with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, but many of the actors at right now, at present, after 50 years, they are he is working, but so many actors they lag behind. They could not come as Mr. Amitabh Bachchan came in Indian cinema. Okay, so Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is having analytical skill. He shaped himself into the expectations of the directors, expectations of the new actors, and working with them requires abundant energy. So he has reshaped his profession into from old style of presentation or delivery of content dialogues into new style where new camera is there, then are things are modifying nowadays in the area of camera or in technical areas, so he is abreast with the new changes in the field he is working. So these things are is required, and it comes through our analysis. And he or she must examine himself or herself and change as per the situation. Change, his attitude should be flexible, listening someone's opinions, and reshape himself or herself as per the conditions of the market, requirements of the people, society. These things are important. I hope you understood this point. Onwards, confidence in every field you will go, everywhere you can see confidence matters. A person who is having confidence is a unique, he or she is a champion at workplace if that person possesses confidence. At workplace, if you want to become a champion, then confidence matters. If you want to become a teacher, so you should have good presentation skill, you should have energy, then you should be faithful to your students, their expectations, and their problems, queries. Along with these things, you also at workplace you should have ready attitude. If suppose responsibility is given, any responsibilities of handling team, so you should have yes attitude, yes attitude. Then if you are given responsibility of anchoring at college events, so yes, any responsibilities, yes attitude. No, I can't do, it is not my cup of tea. No negativity, you should uh, minimize, you should remove negativity from your mind if you want to uh, be a shining example in particular field. Just I discuss with you in one profession, that is teaching. So these things are applicable not only to the one particular field but for all field. Okay, just some actor I would like to say, they are I know Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is having abundant energy, and you also agree. Okay, those actors, then Ranveer Singh is also abundant with energy. Energy is required. Without energy, okay, in any field you can go. That positivity brings you energy, and that energy you should convert into your task, into your activity, or into your work, and you will be unique one. So confidence matters, and I have cited one of the some examples which are visible to you in across the media, all sort of media. Then persuasiveness, persuasiveness, persuasive, मन वळवणे, uh, to convince in a way to the customers that they should listen, they should act, counseling properly, convincing them to to tell them particular thing that they can agree and they can do, or agree. What requires in persuasiveness? Energy, confidence, then your delivery of the speech, your body language. Yes, very important factor. Your body language matters in persuasiveness. If suppose you want to pursue the minds of customers, body language, a dress code, uniform, then how you are speaking, what you are speaking is not important, but how you are speaking, softly, you are listening properly, then you are satisfiedly answering the questions raised by the customers. These things are one, and they come with the course of your experience, with the course of your age, but you should acquire it as soon as possible. These things are unique, and they are taught while you are doing professional degrees, but some inborn qualities also you are expected to possess. Everything cannot be taught. You must have something inborn. So that is expected in this field. So in media, what are the some of the fields in media that we will study? In media, that person uh, pleasant personality is required. Pleasant, happy-go-lucky person, very happy, positive, having a smile on face, always pleasant personality, excellent communication skill, and the ability to interact confidently with a variety of people from different backgrounds. You have seen Mr. Amitabh Bachchan in Kaun Banega Crorepati. Varied background, can have excellent communication skill and ability. He has having the ability to interact people from all walks of life. You have observed his communication skill. Then communication skill of so many examples are there. Communication skill of Mr. Robin Sharma, motivator. Then Shiv Khera, Mr. Shiv Khera is also one good example. They are motivators. So motivators, they should possess qualities to pursue the minds of masses. If Shiv Khera says on a platform, winners never do different things, they do things differently. So, in his tone, his delivery, that matters. The aura he creates in front of the employees or in front of the uh, people, it matters. And that should be unique. It should not be a copy of someone else. To copy, it is not expected. If someone is copying someone thing, so the people will say, this person is copying that Mr. XYZ. It is not expected. If you are copying someone else, then you are not creative. Creativity is required. Creativity means novelty, innovations, presentation in a way that no one has presented. Our delivery of speech, script writing, everything should be unique. It should be as fresh as you ever imagine. So these things are expected. So pleasant, then to have successful career in media, sales and aspirants need to be assertive, mature, flexible, and innovative. I told you some of the examples. Then to work in media sales, one must be inquisitive and very resilient in order to handle objections that potential clients may raise. I also, with the course of time, I told these things. The ability to work under and handle pressure, commercial awareness, and networking ability. Then drive, determination, persistence, resilience, and tenacity, strategic and creative planning, self-motivated and can-do attitude. Just I told you, in every field you require yes attitude. Yes, I can do it. Yes attitude is a must. So for yes attitude, you must have the inner energy to reflect yourself. So the inner urge, inner sincerity, with the help of these inborn qualities, you must express, you must reflect. And one of the saddest thing in our life, please remember that after after 50s or 60s, people say I was not very reflective in my life. That is the saddest thing. That is the saddest thing I may say. So please remember, be reflective. People may criticize you, they may abuse you. Don't worry. For good things, people will criticize. Bad things, they will also criticize. So then do good things. If they are criticizing, don't worry about criticism. So take criticism positively. And with the course of time, the criticizers, they also understand our importance. But you must be very stable, confident, and do your task sincerely. That thousands of people, they appraise you, they worship you, they appreciate you. It is a must. Self motivation, okay, energetic and enthusiastic. So other career options: television presenter in media. Some other career options in media include television presenter. Television presenter, it means one has to organize or host a range of television programs. Some of the anchorer in Marathi or in Saregama, we have observed, they speak very well. So hosting a particular program, television program, having sense of humor, hmm, uh, facing or the situation positive with in Kapil Sharma show. Look at positive energy is there. Kapil Sharma show you have, and he has good skill to present himself in front of camera. So conducts interviews. He can conduct interviews. You have seen or some of the examples, those people who can conduct very well interviews. Simi Araval, she has conducted the interviews of Mr. Ratan Tata and reputed celebrities in Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Uh, she has conducted a very good interviews. Then other examples are also there. They conduct very well interviews. And I'll give you one example. Semi Araval. Semi Araval is a good interviewer. Then film publicist. Film publicist. It increases audience and media awareness of the film, coordinates interviews with actors, promotional events, and film screening. Then distribute film information through press releases, websites, magazines, TV, and blogs. Then a film publicist. And then broadcast journalist or reporter. So it investigates and gathers information and evidence for stories, prepares script, reports and presents stories to the public. In broadcast journalist or reporter, uh, Mr. Amin Sayani is a real example. He is very good broadcaster on radio. Bhaiyo or Behno, his voice, modulation of his voice is unique example that has uh, captivated 5 decades of Indian audience. 5 decades capturing attention, captivating the attention of the public is not anyone's cup of tea. It is very difficult task. But some examples are there that they are very shining examples. Prepare scripts, reports, and present stories to the public. Story. Some small events are there in our life, or while reporting, or while just presenting his ideas, Mr. Amin Sayani uh, in Geetmala, in Binaka Geetmala show on AIR in All India Radio. You can also see these events in YouTube right now also. His presentation, dialogue, delivery, I mean, is so nostalgic that instead of singing, listening the songs, we want to listen his perception and his dialogue delivery, his style, and just sense of humor and the interaction he did with the actor, actresses, director, producers. He speak in a way that it is enchanting one. Uh, it makes us to listen and listen, and not to listen actual song, but listening his speech. So it is really a unique quality that is expected in broadcast journalist or reporter. Readership or audience research is conducted by media. The purpose is to find out popularity of the channel and to decide on media rates. So other career options includes career as a script writer. So writing script, writing storyline, creating characters, writing dialogue is a innovative activity. So that person should have good observation skill. Then she should be a good learner and should have the ability to develop ideas from day-to-day life and decode the requirements of the story, and it should disclose what is the requirement in the story. The success of any movies or TV show depends on upon how well the script is written. How well the script is written. Script is everything. Script or the copy is the essence, body or soul. So in a human body, our heart is the essence. With the help of heart, everything, our life depends on our heart. So in a career, in this type of career, our script, dialogue, sense of humor, it I mean copy is a soul. Then a career in event management. Small events like weddings, musical shows, and so making a career in event management is a good choice. Organizing a perfectly synchronized, well planned, well conducted, and memorable events requires the supervision and services of well trained and experienced event professionals. The role that one can take up include marketing and planning of the event, operations and logistics, and even handling the PR, public relations for the event. How? Here in event management, how the person is handling the events, any sort of events, that the responsibility of handling the event is given to him or her. He should handle in a way, just example, handling events or handling the sequence of the programs, small sub programs of the anchorer. So anchorer is also event management. In the same way, managing the events with the course of time is also important. It is a skill that comes through experiences, having admitting mistakes. Then so many times we fail in some of the activities or events. So if someone fails, he should learn and do not have same mistake in time. So minimizing the mistakes day by day, event by event is expected. Then career as a content writer. Content writer, writing websites, slogans, then attract and retain users on a website. This blog writing, maintain a regular flow of content to different blog posts. Content writers produce the content for many different types of websites, social networks, e-commerce sites, news aggregators, and college or company websites. Attractive presentation in digital media, that is internet, writing blogs, websites, script writing for the digital ads. So this is also unique skill. And last one, social media manager. Social media to manage a brand's profile on Facebook, then other Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, to name a few. They have a strategic. They have to strategize the type of post that go live on each of these social networks. Social networks मध्ये जे काही लाईन्स असतात कंपनी बद्दलच्या किंवा ब्लॉग्स असतात, त्या छान प्रकारे तुम्हाला सादर करता यायला हव्यात. ही एक पण मोठी कला आहे. सो मीडिया, त्यामध्ये कोणकोणत्या करिअरच्या संधी आहेत आणि दुसऱ्या अदर करिअर ऑप्शन्स कोणकोणते आहेत, त्याचसोबत त्या व्यक्तीमध्ये कॉन्फिडन्स किंवा इनर जे काही क्वालिटीज, एनर्जी लागते, पॉझिटिव्ह ॲटिट्यूड लागत असतो, ह्याची आपण सविस्तर आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये डिस्कशन केलेलं आहे. तर तुम्ही शांतपणे यू हॅव लिसन माय लेक्चर seriously, patiently. I thank you very much.